Hello, and thank you for joining me for another episode of Lewis the Tech Guy. I am Lewis the Tech Guy, and in today's video, we're gonna practice something pretty simple. It's called the Hero Widget, and basically it kind of helps this little animation happen. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so what I did now is I got, let's start with my assets. So if you go to the PubSpec YAML, also located right here, I added my assets and asset images that my packages get, exited with 0. And then in my main library, I have an assets folder with the images folder and a Naruto picture that I got from online. All right, so then in my main file here, I have my main app, has home app, and then in my class home app is one screen, and basically simple app bar with Lewis the Tech Guy, and then title center true, image, and the asset where it's from. And then in my second screen, I have basically the same thing. And obviously, as you can see now, I click on it and nothing happens. So the first thing we want to do is we want to wrap this image in a gesture detector. So we're going to do gesture detector, and then on our on tap method, we're going to call our function here, and then in here what we're going to say is, where did I mess up already? I'm getting a bunch of errors. Alright, I must have used the wrong brace there. Alright, so on the on tap, what we're going to do is we're going to call into our navigator, and we're going to say push. So when we call the navigator, we want to push something. So when we push it, we're going to pass our context, and then, so basically where we're at right now, so I can know where we're going. And then we're going to say, let's call the material page route package, right? And so in here, we have to pass a builder, and the builder is going to return something. So since we're not passing in any parameters, we're just going to put an underscore there, and then we're going to say return, and we're going to say second screen. And so if I hot reload now, I should click on it and it shows up my second screen. But as of right now, we're kind of stuck there. There's no way to go. So let's go down to our second screen and do the same thing here. So for our center widget, we're going to wrap it in wrap with widget, another gesture detector. And this time when it's on tap, what we're going to do is we're going to say get that navigator dot pop, and we'll just pass in the context. Okay, so if we hot reload that now and we click on it, it goes away. So that does that. And as you can see, you already have some popping up kind of cool thing going on here. But we want to make it a little cool. We want to have that nice little transition effect. So what you want to do is, in both cases, you want to wrap your image in a hero widget. So we're going to wrap it. I'm going to say hero. And the only thing you need to do here is add a tag. And a tag is just going to be a string. And we're going to call this Naruto. Right? And then over here on our second image over here, I'm going to wrap that with a hero as well. Hero, and then give it a tag, and we'll call this Naruto as well. So make sure your tags match up. If not, this won't work. And then we'll hot refresh that. All right, so pop it, and now you see you have this nice little animation that happens with it. All right. Yeah, let's just find out if we change this to Naruto and we hit refresh, we just get that old thing. So you have to tag it so it knows that it's the same image. All right, simple stuff. Well, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed anything, please let me know. If you'd like to see anything specific, also let me know. Have a good day.